it's Vicki from the Briar Patch. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've done a video for y'all. My family and I went to Florida on vacation. We had a great time. I have another edition of Make It Yourself Monday. And today we are going to be making a Luscious Lips Sugar Scrub. This is so easy to make, and it just requires a couple of ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need coconut oil, brown sugar, I already pre-measured it, honey, and lavender essential oil. I'm using Young Living's, and peppermint essential oil. This is a really easy recipe to make, and let's get started. Okay, I have everything ready to go here. I have pre-measured my coconut oil into my glass bowl, just because it's a little harder to get out of the measuring spoon. So we need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then we need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I already pre-measured that, so we're gonna add the brown sugar in. And then we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of honey. You could use local honey if you wanted to. I'm just using what I had on hand. 1 tablespoon. It's slow to come out. Here we go. I'm just going to use my finger to scoop it out. Okay. Set that off. So let me just wipe my finger off here so it's not all sticky. Okay, so the next thing we have to add is our essential oils. So we're going to add 4 drops of lavender. Lavender is really soothing to your tissues. I'm going to do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then peppermint. And we're going to do 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay. Now let's mix this all together. This is so easy to make, and once you have all this all mixed up, then you'll want to place it into a container that you really like. I bought these little cobalt blue, I think these are 1 ounce containers. I bought these from Amazon. So, and this is what I'm going to use for my sugar scrub. So as soon as I'm ready to put this into the jar, I want to make sure all the lumps and everything are out of my brown sugar. And then to use this, all you want to do is take a little bit out, apply it to your lips, kind of massage it into your lips. That way the brown sugar will help exfoliate any dry skin off you have off your lips. Of course, the coconut oil is going to be very moisturizing. The lavender is going to be very soothing to your lips, and the peppermint will help give it a really nice taste. So, simple recipe. I hope you'll give this one a try. I wanted to go ahead and show you what this looked like once I got it all packaged into my little container. This would be a great little gift for somebody. I love to use the Lip Sense lipstick, and with that, it's very important to use a good exfoliator to get all the dead skin off your lips. So this will be great to use. I will post the recipe after this little clip, so you can enjoy it. Oh, that's Clarice, by the way. She's my little snowshoe Siamese. She's joining in on the fun today. So stay tuned for that recipe. It's coming right up. As always, thank you for stopping by the Briar Patch for Make It Yourself Monday. Let me know if you try the recipe that I used today and if you liked it. And if you have any questions about Young Living essential oils, you can always send me a message, comment below, or if you have any questions about joining my Briar Patch Oils team, just let me know. I'll leave my link to my website at the end of the video. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you next week. Have a good week.